Hello and welcome back. This is day 6 and of course we're trading the DAX and we're showing the results from today, which is the 5th of August, and of course for the last 5 days or for the last 6 days now we've been tracking the results on this account with a €1,000 deposit, and all these trades which are traded on our master account are automatically copied onto the live accounts of those members who've upgraded to our robotic copy trading service. So I've actually calculated this twice and I've got a different result. The first time I calculated, it showed that I'd made 23 trades and made profit with 19 of them and lost €6.65, which means it was a net loss of 0.065%. which is about a 0.5% loss. But I've just calculated again, and the second time I got €19.05 profit. So that's a 1.905% profit on a €1,000 account, almost 2%. So for that reason, I'm going to check it all again and see what result we come up with. Is it €6.65 loss, or is it a €19.05 profit? Let's have a look. So first of all, I'm going to just show you the activity of the DAX today, and for that I'm going to draw a little rectangle around the activity that we saw today. At this moment in time it's almost 10:30 p.m. so the DAX closed half an hour ago at 10 o'clock Spanish time. Of course it opens at 8 o'clock Spanish time in the morning, and that's the entire trading activity of the DAX. So as you can see, it opened higher than it closed yesterday. It rose in value, it fell quite steeply, went sideways somewhat, rose again, came down, and it's been going sideways. And the purpose of trading the DAX, of course, is using that information and the data that you can check on the smaller time frames and the larger time frames. Our role is to predict the likelihood of the DAX either increasing in value or falling in value in the short term. And if we can predict that correctly, that's how we create our profit. So let's have a look at the results and check them and calculate them and see how much we've made for today. Okay, so we're in the back office of the robotic software. And this is the same back office as all our members have access to. So the good thing about this is every member can see the details of every trade that was placed on their account and whether it was profitable or not. So that's how it works. So let's calculate these results. So there's the calculator, and you can see as we look down these trades, this was the last trade from yesterday, the 4th of August. And of course today is the 5th of August, and so that was our first trade today, and it was a loss of €29.20. So let's put that into the calculator, minus 29.20. Okay, it was actually a trade from the 4th of August that we left open overnight. We don't normally do that unless there's a very good reason, and when we do leave trades open overnight, there's actually what we call a swap fee. And the swap fee on that particular trade was 85 cents to have it open overnight. It does add to the risk, but sometimes it's the best option. So that created a small loss of €29.20. The next trade was a profit of 5.15, so plus 5.15. And then we had a profit of €5.40. Okay, and then we have to scroll down to go to the next page because that's on page 1. Okay, so starting at the bottom, got the calculator. The first trade was 3.65, so we add 3.65. The next one was €3.15 profit. Then we made 190. and then we lost 17.35. Then we made €1.05. We made a profit of €1.70. Of course, all these trades are on a €1,000 account. Then we made a profit of €5.40. Then we made €7.15. And made €6.40. And we made a profit of €6.05. We made €2.40. And made a profit of €3.90. Then we made €4.65. And then €3.15. And made €1.55. And €3.05. Then we lost 17.95. Bit of a shame. Took us down to a small profit. Then we lost another 16.20. And then we made €4.05. And then we made €4.40. Right, okay, 6.55. A loss. Okay, so if we add all those together, I believe I think there's 12 on a page. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sorry, there's 20 on a page. 20 on a page. And then 21, 22, 23. So 23 trades. And how many losses? Well, that was a loss. So that's one loss, 2 losses, 3, 4 losses. So 19 wins, 4 losses, a total of 23 trades, and a loss of €6.55. So on a €1,000 account, that's what this is, it represents a net loss of 0.065% on the account balance. So that's just over 0.5%. But as I mentioned earlier, the good thing about that is it's maintained all the profit that we made on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and day 5. And the profits that we've made on those first 5 days, I believe, was anywhere between about 3% and was it 5 or 6%, something like that. So we've had a good run of profits in those 6 days, and we're going to continue to track this account for a full 20 days. So we've got another 14 days to do, and the idea is we're going to see how much can we grow this account within those 20 days, which is a full month, of course. As I mentioned before, had this have been your account and you had a €5,000 deposit, then these trades would have been just as profitable or just as costly. But the difference is that had you have had 5,000 on your account, those trades would have been 5 lots and the profit and loss would have been 5 times as much. Okay, but the net profit would have been the same whether you had 5 lots or 1 lot or 10 lots or 50 lots. It's just that the trade size is bigger the more you have on your account, because it automatically adjusts the lot size depending on the account balance on your account. Hope you find that interesting. And if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, then do that. And of course, click the subscribe button as well so that you receive notifications when we upload the next video. So if you haven't already joined our Facebook group, that is Trading for Profit 5 Days Challenge on Facebook. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And have a good day, and I'll speak to you soon.